Welcome back to our channel. Today we're celebrating one of the most beloved flowers in gardens worldwide, the daisy. Join us as we explore 20 stunning varieties of daisies that can brighten up any space. Let's dive in. First up, we have the Shasta Daisy, Leucanthemum superbum. Known for its large white petals and cheerful yellow center, it's a classic garden favorite. Next is the Oxeye Daisy, Leucanthemum vulgar, a wildflower that brings a touch of nature with its simple beauty. Moving on to the Gerbera daisy, Gerbera jamesoni, famous for its vibrant colors and large blooms, perfect for floral arrangements. Don't forget the English daisy, Bellis perennis, a charming small flower often seen in lawns and gardens. The African daisy, Osteospermum, is next, known for its unique shape and bright colors, thriving in warmer climates. And then we have the Gloriosa daisy, Rudbeckia hirta, with its striking yellow petals and dark center, a favorite for wildflower gardens. Let's talk about the Leucanthemum superbum snowcap, a compact version of the Shasta daisy, perfect for smaller gardens. The painted daisy, Tanacetum coccineum, offers vibrant colors and is often used in borders. Next is the daisy fleabane, Erigeron philadelphicus, a resilient wildflower that adds character to any landscape. The Marguerite daisy, Argyranthemum frutescens, is another beauty, known for its long-lasting blooms in various colors. The Coreopsis family is diverse, providing colorful blooms that attract pollinators. We also have the Aster daisy, which adds a touch of elegance to late summer gardens. Let's not forget the yellow daisy, Berlandiera lyrata, perfect for sunny spots. The Swan River daisy, Brachyschum iberidifolia, is a charming option for containers and borders. The chrysanthemum, Chrysanthemum morifolium, is a fall favorite, showcasing a variety of colors and shapes. The California daisy, Lasthenia californica, brings a bright pop of yellow to the landscape. The Chinese daisy, Chrysanthemum indicum, offers traditional beauty in many gardens. The Jerusalem daisy, Nipponanthemum nipponicum, is unique with its charming white flowers. Finally, we have the sneezeweed, Helenium autumnale, known for its late summer blooms and ability to attract butterflies. That wraps up our list of 20 beautiful daisy varieties. Which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more gardening tips and flower features. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.